When the user first opens Vidonymous, they're brought to the sign-in activity, which displays a little bit of information about the application, as well as a Google sign-in button. The Google sign-in is necessary for server authentication, as well as associating information with the user. When the sign-in button is clicked, the user is brought to the Google authentication flow, allowing them to sign in with their Google account. Of course, input the password. And once the user goes through the Google sign-in flow, the application authenticates them with the database and prompts them to allow permissions. Now, if these permissions are denied, unfortunately, the application will not function properly, so the user is prompted with some affordance to inform them that permission is required and brought back to the sign-in screen. Once the permissions are allowed, the user is brought to the map and zoomed into their current location, where markers are present for any existing videos. At this time, since the marker windows and the video playback will be implemented in further sprints, there's some affordance shown with the title of the video that's posted to that location. Now, using this button, the user can zoom back to their location. And if the map is turned in any way, they're given a compass so they can reorient the map. The options menu with the search button, which will be implemented with Google Search in a further sprint, does show affordance that the search activity has not been implemented yet, as well as the other options buttons for My Videos, giving the same affordance, and Settings, also offering that affordance. When the user is ready to make their own post, they click the floating action button, which brings them to the video post creation activity. When this activity is first opened, the user is offered affordance to know that they need to capture a video if they would like to share. At this time, if the check button is pressed to post, they will be shown that a title and video are required to post. When the video capture button is clicked, the video capture activity is open, which allows the user to then capture up to a 10-second video to display in their post. Once the user has completed recording their video, they have the option to preview their video with the default player, which allows the user to then capture up to a 10-second video to display in their post. From there, they can click the back button and accept the video, which will then show them a preview of the video they've just captured and allow them to preview it again if they do desire, which allows the user to then capture up to a 10-second video to display in their post. Still, if the check button is clicked, since the user has not yet entered a title, they will be stopped and prompted to enter a title. Now that the title has been entered, the user is able to post the video to their current location, and a new marker pops up on the screen showing the video that they've just posted. In this next upcoming sprint, you'll see the custom marker videos appearing with the previews for each video as the user clicks on them, and then allowing the user to click that marker window to view the video activity, which allows them to actually view the video or add a star. You will also see the search activity implemented, which will allow the user to search for specific places through the Google Place API, and then focus the map on that specific place to see any videos that have been posted to that location.